Hello guys, welcome to our today's class. Today we want to teach you how you can select your paper size before design. And for example, we have a description for you. This is an A4 paper. Let's see. This is an A4 paper like this. So from this A4 paper we have, let's show you very clearly. So if you are selecting this, you come here. Look at your paper, all your paper selection type of what you want to design. You come here, you select A4. So but you want something smaller, you want something smaller for this, then you can fold. You want something smaller, folding this, you can fold this into two like this, reduce it. It's now a bit smaller. So for this paper size, this is called A5. It can be landscape, it can be portrait, depending on how it is. So now you come here, you find A5. This is A5 here. So you want a smaller paper for this. You want it smaller, it half of this. So you fold. You want let's fold this. Let's fold this thing like this. This is a fold. This is called A6 paper. This A6 now is the small, is used mostly for handbills by churches. So you can use it to share and give out to people like that. So come here, you find A6. Look at this A6 you are seeing here. This is the size of this particular A6. So if you are not familiar with print purpose and somebody say, hey, I want to design, I want something, I need an A6 design. No, most times you need to understand before. And if you want, before you start printing, these are the kind of things you are expected to do. All right, then you see you this these are the basic paper sizes, but I'll be showing you in a brief. Let's say for instance, um okay, let's assume we want something bigger. Let's assume how we want something bigger. So this is, if you merge, these are two, this is A4. If you merge these two papers together like this, if you merge them together to this point, these are this is an A3 paper. If you merge, when you join two A4 papers together, you have one A3. That is how the connection works. So thank you, and before you start your design, ensure you know your paper size before you proceed. Thank you so much, and subscribe for more.